All right, good evening. So this is the overview of LinkedIn app for phone. So as you can see, I'm on my phone. I'm on my LinkedIn. I'm on the dark background. I spend so much time on LinkedIn, so I prefer using the dark background because my eyes dark theme rather. Most people have the light theme where it's white. It's fine. It's all good. It's the same thing. So I'm going to start from the top. No, I'll start from the bottom. The bottom is easier to navigate. This is your home bar. Your home. This is where your for you page, your things they suggest for you, your feed, and all of that. So it's related to things you do. You can see, you can comment. So what did he do? The CPS lab at TUM, exploring safe human robot interactions. A big thank you to Prof. This. So you can see what other people commented. Keep growing, sir. And there are also other comments you can add. Interesting events. Thanks for sharing. See what happens if I just put thanks for sharing. I can comment it, but I won't do that because I really don't know what to tell him. So that's that. Then your network. In your network, you see people you can connect to. These are options of people you can connect to. And on another video where I'm talking more about connection, I would explain. You can connect to almost everybody, right? And there's also a limit to how many people you can connect to. You can also see more good accounts like people based on your activity, people based on your industry, and all of that. Then I can see people that have tried to connect to me or invited me for something. I can choose or I can accept, depending. Then this is why I would make a post. I would come to making a post in another video. Then the notifications. Somebody reposted something, and yep, this is the mail from Regalia, and then we see the repost and all of that. And this for jobs. It's similar to the desktop interface, honestly. These are the jobs based on what jobs you have been looking for. The next thing, we'll go to the top, back to your home. We have the icon button. This shows the pages you are on, puzzle games, the saved posts. We talked about saving posts, where I can come and I will save a post. It's going to show in my saved posts, and give it some time to load. It's going to show sooner or later. And then we have your profile. We would go through all this in another detailed video, but it is like an overview. We have the your followers. You can also create a post from here. It takes you back to that same page and all of that. And then your experience is pretty much the same thing that followed. We have my messages. Then we have feed, most recent, most relevant. It just adjusts it. I prefer most relevant setting. So that's the overview for phone, and I'll see you in next video.